Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to your science class. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to do the reading and explanation of unit number 10, the sun and the stars. So students, open your book, page number 57. Stars. On a clear moonless night, you can see thousands of stars. If you look up at the night, have you ever wondered what the stars are? They seem to be small, cold, bright dot, but in fact, they are not. All the stars that you see might look similar, but they all are different. Let's figure out what are stars. What are stars? Stars are great cloud of gas and dust particles which are packed tightly together. They heat up and begins to shine. So, it's mean stars are huge ball of hot gases that comes in all kind of size and color. So, it means stars are huge ball of hot gases. Stars are huge ball of hot gases. How we see the stars shining? Stars are shining because of the constant burning process that's going on inside of them. As all of you know that stars are huge ball of hot gases, that's why they are constantly burning, so they shine and we can see them in the night with the brightened stars. They look bright. They shine. Why? Because they have the constant burning process. Pattern of clouds. Have you looked up the clouds during the day and thought about what they look like? All this cloud look like a duck, house, even a bear. Clouds can make pattern like duck, bear or alligator. You can see in this picture, the clouds have different patterns. You also see the clouds during the day and see what kind of pattern you see. The great bear and the little bear. If you look up at the sky on a clear moonless night, you will see thousands of stars. If you gaze for a while, some of the bright stars could be joined up to make patterns in the sky. You can observe these shaped bear patterns in the picture. You can see there are stars, bright stars that are connected to each other and they have made the pattern. One pattern is the great bear and the other pattern is the little bear. There are so many stars in the sky, more than we can count. Some stars look bright to us and you have seen group of stars just like connected the dots. These group of stars are called constellation. The group of stars are called constellation. The sun. The sun is a star. That's right. The sun is a star and it's a specific kind of star called yellow dwarf. While we think of our sun as being super huge and hot, which it is definitely compared to Earth, the sun is huge, but Many stars are bigger than the sun in the space. The sun looks big because it is nearer to us. The earth is near to sun. That's why the sun look huge star. But there are so many bigger stars in the space. Do you know how much distance between the sun and the earth is? It is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. The sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Sunspots. Dark patches on the surface of the sun, these are called sunspots. As you see in the picture, and as you know, the sun is a star, and star is a hot burning gas, and there is not a smooth thing. So the dark patches on the sun is called the sunspots. You can see in this picture. The sun gives us heat and light. Sun gives us heat and light. If there is no light, we cannot have the day. If there is no heat, this earth will become cold. Plants use sunlight to make their food. Without the sunlight, plant cannot make their food, and without sunlight, plant cannot grow. Our skin, sunlight help our skin to make vitamin D. We take sunlight from the sun to get vitamin D. Vitamin D is very important for our skin and for our bones. And we get the vitamin D from the sunlight. Sea breeze. Sea breeze is the wind developed during the daytime and blow from the sea towards the land. Let us understand how it is formed. You can see in the diagram, land has the property of getting heated fast and getting cooled fast. On the other hand, water heats up late and cools down late. So during the daytime, land gets heated faster as compared to water. The air over the land also gets heated and hence rises up to take its place. The cooler air from the sun moves towards the land. This is called sea breeze. Then warm air from the land moves towards the sea to complete the cycle at night. It is totally opposite during night time. Land is cooler than sea. Hence, cool air from the land blow towards the sea. This is called the land breeze. The sun, the heat of the sun helps to make wind and air and rain. Without the sun, the earth would be very dark and cold without the sun. All of us know that the heat of the sun is give us light, give the earth hot, makes the earth hot, and with the sunlight we will witness the day. So if there is no sun, we cannot witness the day, we cannot witness the heat. Nothing would be able to live on the earth. All of us know that plants make their food with sunlight. So without sunlight, we cannot have the day our earth will become cold, so nothing would be able to live on the earth. I hope all of you understand the unit, the sun and the stars. It is very interesting topic. Now all of you have read this unit carefully 3 to 4 times and understand the points in it so that we can solve the question answer by ourselves. I hope you understand this unit very well. So students, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.